Hello, this is Al Blair. Diana and the sales team have asked me to provide a very brief little video example of what we mean by hybrid. In other words, using the cloud with our accounting software to further extend the collaboration and the productivity in your organization by sharing information in a very practical and easy way. To do that, I'm going to select, this is our current version of eTEK accounting, and I'm in the inventory module, and I'm going to select an inventory report, which shows the availability of certain inventory items by code, is sorted by code and the description and the quantity on hand. I now am going to do a right mouse, and I'm going to literally export this as a PDF document, and I'm going to put it on the SkyDrive folder and in my favorites on my hard drive. Now, the thing you need to think about here is that whatever I put in SkyDrive, in the folders in SkyDrive, and I've got a folder for eTEK reports, and I'm not going to change the name. I could certainly change the name. But now I'm going to allow that information that I'm publishing now on my SkyDrive folder on my hard drive. This is now that I've published it, this information is now available to those who use SkyDrive in my organization to have access through the internet. They might use their tablet, they might use their cell phone, whatever, and I'm going to show you an example of this right now. I'll go to my Internet Explorer, and I've got a little tab called Files for SkyDrive. I'll go ahead and click that. Now you've got to set up your SkyDrive account, and I'll show you how. That's a very, very simple process. And you'll notice under eTEK reports, up in the cloud, on the internet, in my private, accessed only by me, not by the public, only by those that you authorize to do that, in that folder is that report that I've published outside of I brought it, exported it out of the system. Now, one of the interesting things I'm going to demonstrate here, I'll go back to my hard drive for just a minute here. I'm going to bring up that same information, and I might highlight something. I may take the tools for comment and markup, and I may underline or highlight certain. I may say, okay, we need to move this stock right here. We've got 100 on hand, and I'll go ahead and save that. Again, that's saved on my hard drive, and since that's synchronized with the cloud, the SkyDrive cloud, then when I go up, or somebody else in my organization goes up, and they go on the internet and on the cloud, and they open that document, you'll see that that particular item, in fact, has been highlighted. Very practical, easy way to share information in your organization using our software, as well as what's available from Microsoft. Now, incidentally, what I'm showing you available from Microsoft is quote-unquote free. You get up to 9 gigabytes, I think, of storage, and I just clicked on, and let me back up a step here and explain where I'm at here. I'll close the current tab. Going a little fast. Let me just go ahead and go back to here. When you open up any program, Excel, Access, Word, I'm talking about the Office 2013 versions, you'll see SkyDrive, and just go ahead, and if you want to set up your account and get started, just click the Learn More button, and you can download straight from Microsoft a free desktop app. It's going to create that SkyDrive folder on your PC, on your hard drive, that's now synchronized with your SkyDrive account, which is also free. And it's a pretty, it's a pretty practical way in real time and there's a number of applications that work with it. And we just want to make you available. This is pretty easy stuff. Thank you for your interest. Bye-bye.